In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a content library in Proposify. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Proposify. Click through to the official site and log in with your existing account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Documents tab. Think of this as your hub for everything you're actively working on. From here, we'll build out your content library so you can reuse your best material and speed up proposal creation. There are two primary ways to populate your library. The first is to add content directly in the library. Look to the left-hand navigation and open the content library. You'll see categories like sections, fees, snippets, and images. Sections are full blocks of content such as an About Us or Terms page. Fees hold your pricing items. Snippets are smaller text blocks. Think testimonials or value bullets. Images are your visuals. Choose the category you want, then click the Create New or Plus button to build a new asset from scratch. As you create items, give them clear names and concise descriptions so your team can find and reuse them confidently later. The second method is saving content straight from an existing document. Open a document in the editor, then next to any section name, click the three-dot menu and choose Save to Library. That instantly turns a live section into a reusable library asset. For snippets, highlight the exact text you want to reuse, open the Snippets tool, and click the plus snippet option to save it. And good news for images. Anything you upload directly into the editor is automatically added to your library, so you won't have to re-upload it again. A quick tip: keep file names tidy and consistent so searching is effortless. Now let's use those assets inside your documents. In the editor, look at the section menu on the left. Click the plus button at the top and select Add from Library to insert a saved section or fee into your proposal. To insert a snippet, place your cursor in any text box, open the Snippets panel on the right, and click the snippet you want. For images, open the Your Library tab in the editor's left sidebar, then drag and drop the image onto your canvas. After inserting, adjust formatting and layout so everything matches your brand and reads smoothly. With these steps, your proposals become faster to assemble, more consistent, and easier to maintain across your team.